Learn to create a waving text effect in Premiere Pro with this easy tutorial. After getting your text ready, go to the Effects panel and search for Wave Warp. Double-click the effect to apply it to your text. Keep the wave type to sine, increase the wave width to 1500, and rest of the values as they are. You can also try different wave types for different effects. You might have seen this one in many videos. I will quickly go through all of these one by one as they are all worth using. You can try different values of wave height and width for each wave type. You can also change the direction of the waves. And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.